Hello student, in next video our next topic is relation among different class frequencies. There are total 3 raised to n total class frequencies for n attributes, and relation between the different class frequencies of two attribute a and b are as follows. So a alpha, b beta, this is total open bracket ab, here open bracket a beta, here open bracket alpha b, open bracket alpha beta, and which is equal to open bracket a, open bracket alpha, open bracket b, open bracket beta, and this is total n. This n is total frequency. A denote presence of attributes of A. This A denotes presence of attributes of A, and this alpha denotes absence of attributes of B. Similarly, this B denotes presence of attribute B, and this beta denote absence of attribute B. And from this above table, we notice that capital N is equal to open bracket A plus open bracket alpha, which is equal to open bracket B plus open bracket beta, and open bracket A, this open bracket A is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket A beta, open bracket AB plus open bracket A beta. Similarly, for open bracket B is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket alpha b, that is this open bracket b is equal to open bracket ab plus open bracket alpha b. Next, open bracket alpha is equal to open bracket alpha b plus open bracket alpha beta, open bracket alpha is equal to open bracket alpha b plus open bracket alpha beta. Next, open bracket beta is equal to open bracket a beta plus open bracket alpha beta. This open bracket beta is equal to open bracket a beta plus open bracket alpha beta. Now we can express the class frequencies in terms of positive class frequency. Open bracket alpha is equal to n minus open bracket a, comma, open bracket beta is equal to n minus open bracket b, open bracket a beta is equal to open bracket a minus open bracket ab, comma, open bracket alpha b is equal to open bracket b minus open bracket ab, open bracket alpha beta is equal to n minus open bracket a minus open bracket b. Example: obtain the remaining class frequencies for given following frequencies. Open bracket AB is equal to 50, open bracket alpha B is equal to 15, open bracket A beta is equal to 25, and open bracket alpha beta is equal to 14. From this given data, we have to find remaining frequencies. Solution: here we have to use the relation among the class frequencies for two attributes to find the remaining class frequencies. That is, to find the remaining class frequencies, we use the relation among the class frequencies for two attributes. So draw table A alpha b beta, open bracket AB, open bracket A beta, open bracket alpha b, open bracket alpha beta total open bracket A open bracket alpha total open bracket B open bracket beta, and here is the n. Take from given data open bracket AB is equal to 50, then open bracket AB is equal to 50. Next open bracket alpha B is equal to 15 and open bracket A beta is equal to 25 and open bracket alpha beta is equal to 14. In next step we have to calculate open bracket A open bracket alpha open bracket beta open bracket B and total n. We know that open bracket A is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket A beta. Then value of open bracket AB is 50 and open bracket A beta is 25. So 50 plus 25 which is equal to 75. Next open bracket B is equal to open bracket AB plus open bracket alpha B. Value of open bracket AB is 50 plus open bracket alpha B is 15 which is equal to 65. Next open bracket alpha is equal to open bracket alpha B plus open bracket alpha beta which is equal to open bracket alpha B is 15 and open bracket alpha beta is equal to 14. Then 15 plus 14 is equal to 29. Next open bracket beta is equal to open bracket A beta plus open bracket alpha beta which is equal to value of open bracket A beta is 25 plus value of open bracket alpha beta is 14. Addition of 25 plus 14 is 39 and capital N is equal to open bracket A plus open bracket alpha. Value of open bracket A is 75 plus open bracket alpha is 29 which is equal to 104. So put open bracket A open bracket B open bracket alpha open bracket beta and n in this table. So value of open bracket A is 75 open bracket alpha is 29 open bracket B is 65 and open bracket beta is 39 and total n is equal to 104. Here we find the remaining frequencies. Next example in an examination 60% pass in physics, 52% passed in statistics, while 32% fail in both the subject. Using relations between class frequencies in attributes, find the percentage of student pass in both the subjects. That is, we have to find percentage of student pass in both the subjects. Solution. Let attribute A is condition passed in physics and attribute B is passed in statistics and attribute alpha is fail in physics and beta is fail in statistics. We consider capital N is equal to 100% and frequency of class A is 60% and frequency of class B is 52%. And we have to find percentage of student pass in both the subjects. And here we have to given that 32% fail in both the subjects, that is alpha beta is equal to fail in both subjects. Hence open bracket alpha beta is equal to 32%. We require to find percentage of students passed in both the subjects, that is open bracket AB, that is we have to calculate open bracket AB. Then we know that we have open bracket alpha beta is equal to capital N minus open bracket A minus open bracket B plus open bracket AB, which is equal to, then open bracket alpha beta is equal to 32 equals to capital N is 100 minus capital A is 60, open bracket A is 60, open bracket B is 52 plus open bracket AB. After solving this, we get open bracket AB is equal to 44%. That is student pass in both the subjects is 44%.